What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to print out hello world from VHDL programming. Okay, now the first thing is entity, and here you can see the name of the program we created, test bench. That's the name of the file. You can create any name you want. If you go to this EDA Playground website, you can create plus and you can name anything you want. Here, since our name is test bench, we had to use the same name, and that's the same name you have to put it right here. This top entity, you have to put test bench. Okay, and entity test bench is end entity. And the next thing is we have to create architecture, and also in VHDL programming, new lines and spaces are treated equally, and also architecture is where we put the algorithm and the logical things. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the architecture sim of the name of the program, that is test bench, is begin processes begin, and then report. This is a keyword. Here I put hello world, semicolon, and after that we put wait right here, end process, end architecture. Okay, that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Now whatever the things we are expected should be in the execution, and if you look at this execution, hello world, that's what we expected, right? So it means the program worked perfectly. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn VHDL programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.